pull your button. We're gonna drive out away from the airplane. Don't want to be too close to that. So, booming in. There we go. Now we're driving full speed. All right, so let's do this. We're gonna go up. We're gonna go up and test the functions. I think this is a 40-footer, or 45. Let's go a little forward. I got a wing above me. So 45 feet. Let's just make sure everything works and it all looks like it's functioning good. Sounds like she could use a little lubricating there. So we know the jib is working. We know the basket rotation worked. So let's make sure she goes all the way up. I don't have to go all the way up, but today I'm feeling like going all the way up. Horn works. Turn it on rapid mode real quick. Try to get the boom section all the way straight and just go straight out 45 feet. So we're getting the boom section straight. Okay, that's straight with no boom out. Now let's boom her out. Booming out. Going up. No matter what, sometimes always gets me when I'm doing these little butterflies in my belly. Don't necessarily have to go this high. Okay, that's maxed out right there. We are 45 feet. So we're gonna look down, which is don't look down. Oh man. So now we know it goes all the way up. All the functions are working. It's 45 feet. Now we go back. We'll do the other function test when I get a little bit lower. It's nice views from up here though. Craziness. Okay, we're back down. Now let's bring the boom down. Whee! Boom down, we're gonna keep the jib up. And what we're gonna check next is the orientation switch to make sure that the orientation is correct. We know that the safety switch is working for the speed because when I first got on it, it was boomed out and it was driving slow. So we're gonna check this right here. This one right here, and how you do that is like this. You get down, pretty much rotate until you're kind of backwards or all the way sideways. You see the yellow arrow right there? That tells you your direction. So blue is forward, yellow is backwards. Right there. So when you get out of orientation, this light starts blinking, and that the unit knows that you're not orientated, so you can't drive. You watch. No drive until I tell the unit, hey, I know I'm going backwards. And then she'll drive. Yeah, that's it. That's just the function test right there. I gotta do a oil change on this unit real quick, but I just thought you guys would like to see that. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.